Good morning, everyone. I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. Today I am working on 4 sets of coasters with a bloom technique. So this is my favorite color palette at the moment. I've done several pieces with these colors that I absolutely love. So I do my blooms with just my acrylic paint that I use on my regular canvases. I do not use a bloom recipe, and they always turn out absolutely fabulous. I let them cure for a few days and then I add a coat of resin. So here I'm just using my mini blower, and then I add on my little piece on the end there that was created by Tracy Reed. So if you do have a mini blower and you're looking for a little piece like that one there, and you get several pieces in the kit. She has an Etsy store that you can go and purchase her items on. One of the best tips that I can give for doing blooms on coasters, well, blooms on anything, is that depending on how you layer your paints, you will always end up with a different pattern. So if I had left just the blue on the bottom, it would definitely not look the same. So you can play around with how you're layering your paints. I layered all 4 of these coasters exactly in the same order so that they would all look similar. However, it also depends on how deeply you blow, whether or not you'll pull through those bottom colors even more. So again, each coaster looks similar, but they are definitely very different. Like I said, mine are just acrylic paints. There's no fancy bloom recipe required. If you are enjoying what you're watching and have not subscribed to my channel, I would love if you would do that. I'm so very close to hitting 3,000 subscribers and would love to hit that goal this summer. So be sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, as well as the notification bell, and make sure you leave me a comment down below. If you have any questions, definitely leave those as well. I always love to answer questions from my viewers. So I'm going to throw on some music for these last couple of coasters. I really hope you enjoy, and I will see you at the end of the video. And here we are with the close-up of these 4 beautiful coasters. I really love how they turned out. The buff titanium base color that I use just pops through in the most perfect spots. I love. I'm excited to get oh my goodness, I can't speak today. I'm excited to get a coat of resin on these 4 beauties. They are curing at the moment. I'll probably let them cure for a couple of weeks just to make sure that everything is dry, and then they will be all finished and they will be for sale. If you are interested, please send me an email at amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com. I truly appreciate that. I charge about $45 Canadian, and I will ship to the US and as well as in Canada. Shipping costs are up to you. And yeah, I hope you have a great day and a great week, and I will see you